On this video, I will share to you the top 3 key selling points of the Huawei Mate X3. Number 1, features: big screen foldable phone. Advantage: none of the brand have this 7.85 inches big screen on a foldable smartphone. Benefit: viewing experience with the biggest display while watching movies, playing games, or even doing office works and even blogging as well. Experience different kind of angles while utilizing horizontal, vertical, and customized split screen combination of desired apps to view on a big foldable smartphone. Number 2, features: slim, lightweight, quad curve foldable design. Advantage: 11.08mm folded quad curve display and the slimmest 5.3mm unfolded with just 239 grams on a dark green vegan leather finish and 240 grams with a black feather sand glass, which none of the brand having all of these features. Benefit: compactness when folded and ultra thin when unfolded, even one-handed grip with super lightweight foldable design. Experience comfortable grip, the world's first quad curve, and unfolding it with slimmest and ultralight components of Huawei Mate X3. Number 3, features: durable Kunlun glass. Advantage: none of the smartphone brand are having the Kunlun glass. Benefit: 10 times drop resistance exterior screen with a durable Kunlun glass. Even the multi-layered interior screen with non-Newtonian fluid material with 4 times impact resistant as well, both which obtained the first foldable display to pass the 5-star SGS drop resistance and impact resistance certification from Switzerland. Experience the durability interior and the Kunlun glass 10 times drop resistant exterior screen on a quad curve smartphone design. The all new Huawei Mate X3. Thank you.